Welcome to a two-bedroom apartment at 2286 South Blue Island Drive. Third floor, the rear unit with a balcony. So we're going to do a walkthrough. We just came in the living room. And as we head towards the kitchen, eating kitchen, we have the bathroom on the right, very nicely redone. Nice granite counter, dishwasher, fridge, stove, microwave, all stainless steel appliances. Let's go out the back door and take a quick peek. And here we have a great view of downtown skyline. And once we get this cleaned up, you'll have a nice balcony to sit out on. Now, two bedrooms. One is off the kitchen, right here. Both have good sized closets. We're gonna post the bedroom sizes to make sure your beds will fit in. And the second one is off the living room. And that is right here. Nice high ceilings. Give us a call at 773-961-7962 or visit our website, 5 Star Realty Services. We look forward to meeting you so we can show this great apartment in real time.